so it's kind of late, and I was totally not going to do a Happy Home Paradise home today because I just didn't have time. But I thought I'll just pop up there and see who's there. And then I saw that Shep was here, and I just think this is such a cute little dog with his fur designs that I said, okay, I've got to do it. So I'm going to go get my work clothes, and we are going to do this thing for Shep. Oh my gosh. Lots and lots of street noise. Well, you know what? There's some great cars in the game, Shep. We can make this happen. I do, Shep. Absolutely. Okay, Shep, what's on your mind here? Okay, sounds of the street. Okay, Shep, sounds of the street. This is fascinating. Okay. Okay, Shep, I think we're going to go with this one because there's lots of space, and we're just going to make our own streets. Well, Shep, I work exclusively with 2 floors. So we're absolutely going to do 2. All right, I'd be delighted to. Let's do this, Shep. Sounds of the street. Fascinating. Okay. So, some interesting, and some construction stuff. Oh, hey, Shep. These are 2 new items. I mean, my gosh, you're like my 70th house or something. I thought I was finished with all of the new items, but this is great, Shep. Appreciate it. Okay, so none of the cars, but I think I might use some. Oh, adorable. Great. Okay, Shep, will you just give me some time, and I'm going to see what I can come up with. And thanks for the motorbikes and stuff. That is really awesome. Okay, we'll see you soon. All right, Shep, let's take a look at your sounds of the street. First of all, you are dressed in an adorable denim vest and denim cap. I almost put sunglasses on you, but your eyes are so cute being covered up by your fur that I didn't want to do that. So you can see it's evening, and I would not normally advise this. I'm going to walk right through the street. But the idea is that all of these little moped bikes are actually going, but we have frozen them in time so it's safe for me to walk through. But you can see that the light is green in this direction, so the mopeds are crossing back and forth this way, and the light is red in this direction, so these mopeds are at the stoplight. You can see we have crosswalks that switch up in all directions so that walkers could be safer. But I'll tell you, it is a crazy street and things are busy. So you can see we have an electric pole back here, a phone box, a gas station, gas pump. We've got a little park area here with the park clock and the park lights and the park bench and a couple of bushes. We've got a skateboard and a couple of bikes. And we have a little fire hydrant here for all the dogs to enjoy, perhaps even including you, Shep. And we can see we have the street lights located along the street, and so since it's evening, those are all lit up. And I think there would be lots of sounds of the street out here as soon as as soon as we unfreeze time. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. On your first floor, we kind of have a street park. You know, we've got the chain link fence, we've got hopscotch and some chalk here, some chalk drawings on the ground. We can imagine the street being right where the front door is, just outside, going to the streets that are outside. We've got some garbage ready to be picked up, some old newspapers, we've got this pile of tires, a little construction going on here in the corner, and kind of an inexplicable barrel. We have a cool outside music area with this street piano, a guitar. Those are both items that were on your must list. A little microphone and your music playing, a speaker back here. We can see the city skyscape all around us here. Very busy city, but this is kind of a place where maybe kids and adults come to hang out and have a little fun, a little music. We've got another skateboard and a bike and a little scooter here, another scooter over here, and there's some vending machines. Somebody has littered over here, so hopefully that'll get cleaned up soon, Shep. Let's go upstairs. The top floor is your penthouse apartment, Shep. You yourself are a little smug, so I thought you'd appreciate some high-class style. We've got some lovely flooring, and you can see the city scape out your windows on all sides. And the back, you can see here, we have a little balcony, and this was a little tricky to deal with this light. I liked both of these wallpapers, but it's pretty clearly night back there. But what I'm saying is this is dawn, so the sun is just rising over the city, and it just hasn't quite gotten all the way over here yet. So hopefully you can go with that illusion. But I liked the idea of you having a classy balcony out here where you could come and have a cup of coffee. We have the cube lighting, which is very lovely. You've got a cello next to your bed here, a little black lamp. You've got a fruit bowl on your table, a classy vase, a little sitting area over here with some greenery. I've used the cool furniture pretty extensively. You've got a high-end stereo there playing your music. You have a beautiful grand piano right in the center of the room. So just a real classy joint that we've got here. Over here in the corner, you have a bar with some stools. You can come on up here and sit and have a little drink and look out at your beautiful city skyscape. So I just thought it was kind of fun it wouldn't be so loud up here, but I thought it was kind of fun to extend your Sounds of the Street theme to having a really classy city penthouse up here. All right, Shep, since most of your favorite items are in here, I'm going to have you tour this area. What do you think? Well, I am all finished with it, Shep, and I really hope you like it. Bah, 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 that's cute since you're a sheepdog. Take a look around, Shep. Yeah, maybe that bike was another one of your items. Oh, nice. You've got yourself something from the vending machine. Oh, good. Well, I'm so glad it meets your expectations, Shep. Sure, brain teasers. I kind of started Wordle, so we'll see how that goes. Take a look around. Given the They're bundled up, so it might be old news, Shep. Kind of like the idea of a little music area in our play lot. Could have added a basketball hoop now that I think about it, but I think it's pretty good. All right, Shep, I think I'm going to take off. Well, thank you. I'm going to head back. Well, you're so welcome. Enjoy your vacation home.